In today's digital age, smartphones are more than just tools for communication and entertainment. They can also become powerful income generators. With the right apps, skills, and strategies, your phone can help you earn money anytime, anywhere. In this post, we'll explore 7 creative and practical ways to make money using only your smartphone. Whether you're searching for a flexible side hustle or looking to build passive income, these ideas will show you how to turn everyday screen time into real earnings. If you're ready to put your phone to work, let's get started. 1. Turning your phone into a money-making tool. Your smartphone doesn't have to be limited to texting, scrolling, or taking photos. It can become a powerful tool for generating extra income. With the right apps and strategies, you can turn everyday phone use into real earning opportunities. One of the most popular ways to make money on your phone is through investing. Mobile apps now make it easy to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial assets directly from your phone. With just a few taps, you can grow your money over time and build passive income while going about your daily routine. Another option is exploring simple, passive income apps. Some platforms pay you for small activities like watching short videos, completing quick tasks, or even using your phone's lock screen. While each task pays a small amount, consistent use can add up over time and create an additional income stream. Cashback apps are another easy way to earn money using your phone. By scanning receipts or linking your payment methods, you can earn cash back on everyday purchases like groceries, fuel, or online shopping. It's a simple way to get rewarded for spending money you were already planning to spend. By using your smartphone intentionally, you can turn idle screen time into productive income-generating opportunities. 2. Utilizing freelancing apps to earn extra cash. If you're looking for a flexible way to make extra money using your phone, freelancing apps are an excellent option. These platforms connect skilled individuals with clients who need specific services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, video editor, or virtual assistant, there are plenty of opportunities to earn directly from your smartphone. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing apps is flexibility. You choose which projects to accept, set your own rates, and work on your own schedule. This makes freelancing ideal as a side hustle or even a full-time income option if you're consistent and skilled. Freelancing can also turn into a long-term income stream. As you complete projects and receive positive reviews, your profile becomes more attractive to higher-paying clients. Strong ratings, a solid portfolio, and repeat clients allow you to increase your rates over time and earn more with less effort. Getting started is simple. Sign up on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Guru. Create a strong profile highlighting your skills, experience, and samples of your work. Then start applying for relevant gigs directly from your phone. Freelancing apps make it possible to turn your skills into income anytime, anywhere. With consistency and quality work, your phone can become a reliable tool for earning extra cash, or even building a full freelancing career. 3. How to earn money through paid surveys, cashback apps, and mobile games. If you're looking for easy, low-effort ways to make money on your phone, paid surveys, cashback apps, and even mobile games are great options to consider. These methods don't require special skills and can fit perfectly into your daily routine. Paid surveys are one of the simplest ways to earn extra cash online. Companies are constantly looking for consumer opinions to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. Survey apps match you with questionnaires based on your demographics and interests. You earn money or points for every survey you complete, which can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Popular platforms include Swagbucks and Google Opinion Rewards. While individual surveys don't pay much, signing up for multiple apps and answering consistently can add up over time. Cashback apps help you earn money from purchases you already made. By linking your debit or credit card or uploading receipts, You receive a percentage of your spending back as cash or rewards. It's essentially free money for shopping as usual. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta also offer bonuses, referral rewards, and special deals that increase your earnings. Another fun option is playing games on your phone. Some apps reward users for downloading, playing, and reaching certain levels in mobile games. While this won't replace a full-time income, it's an enjoyable way to earn gift cards or extra cash during your free time. Apps like Mist Play and Inbox Dollars make gaming more rewarding by turning entertainment into income. To maximize your earnings, stay consistent and organized. Check apps regularly, take advantage of bonus offers, and use spare moments, like waiting in line or commuting, to complete surveys or play games. With minimal effort, these methods can turn your phone into a steady source of extra income and help you make the most of your everyday time. 4. Exploring mobile gaming and online betting for profits. If you enjoy mobile games and have a competitive mindset, there are ways to turn that interest into income using your phone. Mobile gaming has grown into a massive industry, and some games now offer real-world earning opportunities through rewards, competitions, or in-game assets. Certain mobile games allow players to earn virtual items, skins, or currencies that can be traded or sold to other players. Skill-based games and competitive titles sometimes host cash tournaments where top players win real money prizes. The key here is skill and consistency. The better you become, the higher your earning potential. Some platforms also reward players for reaching levels, completing challenges, or participating in events. Online betting is another option, but it requires extra caution. Sports betting, poker, and casino-style games are widely available through mobile apps and websites. Platforms such as DraftKings, BetMGM, and PokerStars allow users to place bets directly from their phones. While some people do earn money through betting, outcomes are never guaranteed, and losses are always possible. Because of this, discipline is essential. Set strict limits on how much time and money you're willing to spend. Treat betting as entertainment first, not a guaranteed income source. Tracking your results, understanding odds, and avoiding emotional decisions can help reduce unnecessary losses. Mobile gaming and online betting can be fun and, in some cases, profitable, but they carry risk. If you choose to explore these options, do so responsibly, stay within your means, and focus on skill-based opportunities rather than chasing quick wins. 5. Selling your creativity. Graphic design, photography, and social media. If you have an eye for design or love capturing great photos, your phone can become a powerful income tool. In today's digital world, creativity is in high demand, and you don't need a studio or expensive setup to start earning. Graphic design on your phone. Graphic designers can create and sell digital assets directly from their phones or tablets. Products like logos, social media templates, icons, brand kits, planners, and Canva templates are especially popular. You can sell these assets on platforms such as Etsy and Creative Market, where buyers actively search for ready-made designs. Once uploaded, these products can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Photography as a mobile income stream. Smartphone cameras are now powerful enough for professional quality photography. You can monetize your photos by uploading them to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Each download earns you royalties. You can also sell photo presets, mobile Lightroom filters, or even offer custom shoots for brands and influencers. Using social media to boost sales. Social media is a game changer for creatives. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest allow you to showcase your work, attract followers, and drive traffic to your shop or portfolio. Posting behind-the-scenes content, before and after designs, editing tutorials, or time-lapse videos helps build trust and visibility. Over time, your audience can turn into paying customers. Stand out and scale your income. To increase earnings, focus on a specific style or niche, such as minimalist branding, travel photography, food content, or social media visuals for small businesses. A clear niche helps you stand out and attract the right buyers. Investing in good editing apps and design tools also improves quality and professionalism. Selling your creativity through graphic design, photography, and social media isn't just profitable, it's scalable and fulfilling. With consistency and smart promotion, your phone can become both your creative studio and your income generator. 6. Profit from your social media presence. Social media is no longer just a place to share moments and connect with friends. It's a powerful income channel you can run entirely from your phone. With the right strategy, your online presence can turn into a steady revenue stream. One of the most common ways to earn is through sponsored posts and brand collaborations. As your following grows and engagement stays strong, brands may partner with you to promote their products or services. These partnerships can include paid posts, free products, or long-term ambassador deals. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are especially popular for influencer marketing because of their reach and engagement potential. Another effective monetization method is affiliate marketing. By sharing products you genuinely use and trust, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral link. Many brands and marketplaces offer affiliate programs, allowing you to monetize recommendations naturally within your content, without sounding overly promotional. You can also sell your own digital products directly to your audience. If you create ebooks, online courses, presets, templates, or guides, social media becomes your primary marketing channel. Tools like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to host and sell products straight from your phone. Success in social media monetization comes down to consistency, authenticity, and value. Engage with your audience, understand what they need, and create content that genuinely helps or inspires them. Over time, trust builds, and trust is what turns followers into customers. With patience and strategy, your social media presence can become a reliable and scalable source of income. 7. Other unique ways to earn through your phone. If you're ready to go beyond the usual side hustles, your phone still offers plenty of creative ways to earn extra income. With a bit of curiosity and initiative, you can unlock opportunities many people overlook. One option is joining online focus groups or market research studies. Companies pay for real consumer opinions to improve products and services. Through research apps and websites, you can share feedback, test ideas, or review concepts and get paid for your time, all from your phone. Another flexible opportunity is becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need remote help with email management, scheduling, data entry, or content support. You can find virtual assistant work through freelance platforms or by promoting your services on social media, making it easy to work with global clients directly from your smartphone. If you enjoy writing, ghostwriting is another profitable path. Clients often look for writers to create blog posts, articles, ebooks, or social media content under their name. This allows you to earn while building experience and refining your skills, without needing public credit for the work. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking and collaboration. Connecting with other creators, freelancers, or entrepreneurs can lead to joint projects, shared digital products, or referral-based income. Collaborations expand your reach, introduce you to new audiences, and open doors to income streams you may not access alone. The key takeaway is simple. Your phone is more than a device, it's a gateway to opportunity. Whether you choose market research, virtual assistants, writing, or collaborations, the potential is limitless once you take action. With creativity, consistency, and an open mindset, your smartphone can become one of your most powerful income-generating tools. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.